OnePlus Ace 6 the performance beast. What if I told you there's a smartphone built to deliver flagship-level performance, ultra-smooth gaming, and a massive battery? Meet the OnePlus Ace 6. Starting with the display, the Ace 6 features a huge 83-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with an incredible 165Hz refresh rate. That means smoother animations, faster scrolling, and a seriously responsive gaming experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. Whether you're playing demanding games, multitasking between apps, or editing videos, this phone is designed to handle it. But the biggest highlight for gamers is the battery. The OnePlus Ace 6 packs a massive 7800毫安时 battery with support for 120W fast charging, so you get a huge amount of battery capacity without having to spend hours plugged into a charger. For cameras, there's a 50MP main camera with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. You also get an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 5G connectivity, and impressive IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K protection ratings.